Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we're going to be working in a giro milonguero and how to adjust for a deeper rotation.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe if you didn't, like if you enjoyed it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to work. Alright, so here we are. We're going to start showing you the figure first and you will see it. 1, pa pam, 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 pa pam, 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 para pa pam, pam, pa pam. So we've done two giros, two full turns, two full giros with the molinete. If you notice in the middle, in order to do a sacada and reset for a second giro, I did an adjustment with my back leg. You will see it here, look. One very slow motion. Now we go. 1, during her side step, I will fly with my back leg. And 2. Do you notice that little adjustment that I did with this leg? This is the one we want to see. And then it'll be very easy to do a little tap for a sacada, lifting and ready to start all over again. A second giro which is simple. Pam, pam, feet together. And from here we can walk out into a resolution. Tac, tac. Yep. Very milonguero. Doesn't have to be stretched, very big. Anything has to be more compact. Yep.
For followers in this case, we have nothing special, just to feel that this is milonguero. So we are not pivoting the hips. We are not doing the rotation. This is very square hips, and that will affect the way to walk. So we have a side, back, and pivoting on my right foot, but not moving the hips to step back, side, and front is almost like a cross. Be careful, don't try to make it big. Try to keep it as in front of the leader as possible. And we do the second one again, side, to create the back step and pivoting on the right foot, but not using the hips, and back, side, front again. 2 feet together. You can do an emergement here if you have time. And resolve, feet together, side to collect. Very important to go by feet together the most you can, but sometimes doing a turn is not realistic to try to go all the time on feet together. You sometimes have to go with the flow and go to the next step.
And we are doing a second figure in this case in order to follow the line of dance. I started going that way. I should keep going that way or a little bit of curvature, but never going back. If you notice, right after the first turn that we are doing, we don't end up facing the line of dance. Look, pa-pam, pa-pam, 1 and 2, 3. Look, if I want to exit from here, I'm not in the line of dance. So the way that I fix it is just with another milonguero giro. Pa, pa, pa. At this moment, I can fit together. But sometimes what happens is that we leaders tend to end up too far front. In this case, instead of putting feet together, I just take a little bit, an extra step here. So it's easier to walk front. 1, pa-pam, pa-pam.
Beautiful step, beautiful adjustment. Followers, I'm wearing Esplendida skirts, tango skirts. They are very new. They have different sizes and different colors. Very comfortable, and you can see this on MiriamLeonardoTango.com, our website.
So also I'm wearing tango pants by Tango Dapper. It's our own line of tango pants. So you can find it again, same place, MiriamLeonardoTango.com.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Bye.